Good morning and happy snow day, guys. I wanted to go ahead and send out some resources so that y'all would have something to do today because I know that there's not too much snow to play with and it's very cold out and that you all wanted to do some math homework today. So here are some good resources for y'all to do. First, you're going to go to FultonCountySchools.org. We're going to essentially go to Launchpad, and I know a few of y'all have it linked onto your homepage, and so if you have another way to get to this, that's great. If not, you can use this way. So start off by going to FultonCountySchools.org, click on the Students and Parents tab, go down to where you see Resources, and then you're going to scroll down under the Students area and click on Launchpad. Now I'm already logged in, so it automatically goes to it, but you'll have to click and enter your student lunch number for the username and then the student birthday for the password. You should be able to do that by now. If not, it is in their agenda. And then I would like for you, there's two areas that y'all can use. Now remember, mine has a lot more applications than yours will, but you can do Fulton County's Redbird or McGraw-Hill Mathematics. Redbird is something that we have not used yet this year, but it's essentially just a math program that they can go through and answer questions. And since our math unit this week is addition and subtraction, that's a really good resource for them to use. McGraw-Hill is our math textbook, so I'm going to start by showing y'all that. Now, I have both the teacher edition and student edition. You will only have the student edition, so I'm going to click on the student edition. Now, I did just realize that you have to have Adobe Flash installed. You can install it for free. It takes about 2 seconds, but I would suggest installing it. Now, you're going to click onto Chapter 6, adding with 3-digit numbers. We are just did our addition with 3-digit number. We're working to subtraction with 3-digit numbers next week, so I would just click on the addition one. Any of these chapters would be wonderful. I would stick with the mentally adding 10 or 100. They can do the ebook. If you click on the ebook, if you click on the ebook, it'll bring, if it wants to work for me, if it'll bring up a, essentially their workbook, and they can go through, you can use this table of contents to quickly just kind of go through, or you can click down here and go through the pages. If you use the, you can zoom in and out, and they also, you can print on them. I believe if you can mark up it, and there's ways that you can print. I probably just would do file print on it. I know on a Mac it's a little different. On my other computer, you can hit file print, and it prints pretty easy if you'd rather have your kids just print it out and do it. This worksheets right there also allows them just to click it and print it. Any of these would be really good resources for them to do today. If you complete any of that, and you bring it in, or y'all send me an email saying they did complete at least 5 activities from McGraw-Hill or Redbird, they will get a per ticket tomorrow. So we'll work towards that. Another really good resource is actually a game, is this Fact Dash, and it's going to be loud in just a second, so I apologize. I will turn the volume down.
McGraw-Hill.
And they click it, they can do mixed. Don't click this one. This is multiplication and division. You want to do mixed addition and subtraction. I always do sums 0 through 20. They can do it. Do not time them. Let them just go. If you want to time them, you can go up to 5 minutes. And then you can hit OK.
You will need to complete ready,
OK,
set,
and they'll go. You can either do here, or they can click it down here. They'll put in their thing, so 3 minus 0. They can put the right answer. They can hit OK. If it's right, I'll make that number. If it's wrong, so if I did 1 minus 1 and I added it by accident and I hit that and I hit OK, you'll hear that noise. So it tells them right away they'll get the satisfaction if they got it right or wrong. You also can listen to hear if they're getting it right or wrong. Once end, like once it goes through the ending of it, you'll see the ones they got right and wrong. So you can kind of go over them with them. That's a fun game, and there's a timer, so they kind of have a set amount of time that they have to sit and play it. Another really good resource for them to play. Today, back to Redbird. So you would just click this right here, and it, let me know if I do that, mine does. Right here, you'll put in their lunch number and then their birthday right here, and then hit login. Now, I'm not going to log in because if I did, it would have all my students in there. But when y'all log in, it should bring you to just a quick little assessment, and then it'll start them in their program. Last year, my students really enjoyed using Redbird. Go ahead and try it out. If they're kind of getting bored with it or if it's monotonous, go ahead and exit out and you can go and use McGraw-Hill. iExcel is also a wonderful resource for today, but because we use that for homework, I just thought we could shy away from it for today's snow day. Anyways, I hope you'll have a wonderful snow day. Just thought I'd share out some good resources, and I will see y'all hopefully tomorrow. Bye.